So good morning everyone. So in last class we have completed our chapter, that is quadrilaterals. Today we are starting this area and perimeter. So already you know what is the area and perimeter formulas for square and rectangle. So area and perimeter's formula for square and rectangle. So already you know that perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So perimeter is nothing but you know that adding all the boundary values. So what is the formula of a perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B. And also you know what is area of a rectangle formula. So area is nothing but length into breadth. We have to multiply the length value and breadth value. So in the same way you know about perimeter of a square. So what is perimeter of a square formula? That is 4 into S. So in square you will be seeing 4 sides. All sides will be equal. So all sides will be equal. So what is the perimeter of a square formula? That is 4 into S. And area of a square. So what is area of a square formula? That is S into S. Side into side. Because we are not taking the form of length into breadth, because here all sides are equal. That's why we are taking that is in the form of side into side. So what is a perimeter of a rectangle? That is 2 into L plus B. Area of a rectangle is L into B. In the same way perimeter of a square is 4 into S and area of a square is S into S. So in this first exercise just we are discussing about area and perimeters of square and rectangle. That's why I have given this information. In next exercise we are going to learn about area of parallelogram. So there we will discuss about parallelogram. So first we will continue this exercise. So what is the first exercise in this? Exercise 1. So complete the given below. So complete the table given below. You can complete there. Just you have to write the formulas in that blanks. Okay, first one they are asking about perimeter of a rectangle. So what is the formula? 2 into L plus B. Okay, in next blank they are asking about area of a square. What is area of a square? That is S into S or S square. Okay, both are same. So next page I am starting here. Second bit, the measurements of some squares are given in the table below. They have given some measurements. So however they are incomplete. We have to fill the blanks there. Find the missing information. So we have to find the missing information also. Okay. So how to fill that we will see. So in that first one, side of a square they have given. In the tabular form, first one I am taking. So they have given side of a square. They are talking about square. Okay. So side of a square is 15. centimeters. And they have given area as area of a square as 225 centimeters square. So we have to find the perimeter of square here. Okay, so we have to find the perimeter of a square value. So how to find the perimeter of a square? By using this side and area. So already we know that area of a square value is S into S. Okay, and perimeter of a square formula is what? Perimeter of a square formula is 4 into S. So what is the perimeter of a square formula? That is 4 into S. Okay, so 4 is a constant value here. Side value, how much they have given? That is 15 centimeters. So what we have to find? We have to find here perimeter. So how to find the perimeter? 15 fours is 60 centimeters. So what is the perimeter of a square here? Okay, so we have to find the perimeter of a square. We know the formula as 4 into S. Okay, 4 is a constant value, side value you got it as 15. So 4 15s is 60 centimeters. So this is our first solution. So in this second bit we will see. So they didn't give any information, just they have given the perimeter value as 88. So in this given information is what? Perimeter of a square is 88 centimeters they have given. So we have to find the side value as well as area value. So first we will find the side value. So if you get the side value, you can get area also. So what is perimeter of a square formula? Perimeter of a square is equals to, what is the perimeter of a square formula? That is 4 into S. This value they have given as 88 centimeters. Okay, perimeter of a square value formula is 4 into S is equals to 88 centimeters. Now, I am transposing this 4 to other side. So, S is equals to 88 by 4. 4 ones are 4 22s are. So, side value you got it as 22 centimeters. So, by using this 22 centimeters, you have to find the area value now. So, how to find the area? How to find the area here? So, area of a square formula is what? S into S. So, area of a square is S into S. So, we got side value here. So, area is equals to, side is how much? 22 centimeters into 22 centimeters. So, area will be how much now? That will be 484 centimeter square. So, you got the area of a square as 484 centimeter square. So, this is our second bit in first exercise. This is the first bit and this is the second bit. So, in this case, in this second bit, only they have mentioned about perimeter value. By using that perimeter, you have to find the side value. Afterwards, you have to find the area of a square also. So, perimeter of a square is 4 into S is equals to 88. 4 I have transposed, that is 88 by 4. 4 ones are 4 22s are. So, side value you got as 22 centimeters. Now, we have to find the area of a square. So, what is area of a square formula? That is S into S. Side value is 22, side value is 22. 22 into 22 will be 484 centimeter square. Okay. So, area of a square we got as 484 centimeter square. This is our first bit in second question. Okay. So, next one. So, third one. In this third one, first bit. So, the measurements of some rectangles are given in the table. Below. However, they are incomplete. Find the missing information. So, again we have to fill the missing information here. So, they have given the length of a rectangle. Now, they are talking about rectangle. Length of rectangle they have given us 20 centimeters and breadth of rectangle given as 14 centimeters. So, you have to find the perimeter as well as area. Okay, so what you have to find? We have to find the perimeter value as well as area value. So, first I am finding the area. Area of a rectangle is equals to L into B. So, we know the formula as L into B. So, what is the length value? That is 20 centimeters into 14 centimeters. So, how much it will be? That will be 280 centimeter square. So, what is the area here? Area value is 280 centimeters square. Okay, next I am finding about perimeter now. What is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of a rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. Okay, so in this 2 2 is a constant value, length value is 20 centimeters, breadth value is 14 centimeters. So 2 into 20 plus 14 will be 34 centimeters. So 2 into 34 will be 68 centimeters. So you got the perimeter of a rectangle as perimeter of rectangle as 68 centimeters. So with the given information we have found area and also we have found it here, that is perimeter. So second one, in second one they have given only breadth value and perimeter value. We have to find the length and area. So how to find we will see. So breadth they have given as 12 centimeters and perimeter they have given as 60 centimeters. So by using this information, first we have to find the length value. Okay, so how to find the length value we will see. So already we know perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. Is it right? So perimeter of a rectangle is 2 into L plus B. So your P as it is. Perimeter value they have given as 60 centimeters. So 60 centimeters, in place of P I am writing 60 centimeters because P means perimeter. Okay, is equals to 2 into length value we don't know, so breadth value we know it as 60 centimeters. Okay, so now you multiply 60 centimeters is equals to 2 into L is 2L plus 2 into 60 is 120 centimeters. Okay, now I am transposing this 120 to other side, that plus will become minus. So 2L is equals to 60 centimeters so 60 centimeters minus sorry, here breadth value is 12. 12 twos will be 24. Okay, I am transposing this 24 to other side, so that will be 2L is equals to 60 centimeters minus 24. So 2L is equals to how much now? 60 minus 24 will be 36. So I am transposing this 2 to other side. So L is equals to 36 by 2. 2 1s are 2 13s are 2 18s are. So length value you got as 18 centimeters. Okay, so by using the perimeter we have found here L value, that is 18 centimeters. Now by using this L we have to find the area also. So first you see they have given perimeter value. So perimeter of a rectangle formula is 2 into L plus B. So in place of P I wrote 60 is equals to 2 is a constant value, length value we have to find, breadth value is 12. Just I have multiplied the terms, 2 into L is 2L plus 2 12s is 24. Here I have transposed 24 to this side, so it became minus. So 2L is equals to 60 centimeters minus 24, that will be 36. Transpose this 2 to other side. So L is equals to 36 by 2, 2 1s are 2 18s are. So length value you got it as 18. Now we have to find the area. So how to find the area we will see. So what is the area of a rectangle formula, that is L into B. Area of rectangle is equals to L into B. So I am representing area of rectangle with A, and length value is 18 here and breadth value is 12. So what will be the area, that is 18 into 12, that will be 216 centimeter square. So 18 12s is 216, centimeter into centimeter is centimeter square. So this is area of a rectangle. Okay, so this is our area of rectangle. Next, last one in this. So here length value they have given, area they have given, we have to find the breadth as well as perimeter. So length given as 15 centimeters and area given as 150 centimeter square. Okay, so now what we have to find? We have to find the perimeter as well as breadth value. So area they have given, so we will use area of a rectangle formula. So what is area of a rectangle formula? Area of rectangle is equals to L into B. Okay, area of a rectangle they have given as 150. Length value is 15. Breadth value we don't know, so I am taking it as B. Okay, now I am transposing this 50 to other side. So that will be in the form of division because here it is multiplication. So B is equals to 150 centimeter square by 15 centimeters. Centimeter will get cancelled. 15 ones are 15 tens are. So what is the B value? 10 centimeters. Okay, now we got the length value and breadth value. By using these two, we have to find the perimeter now. What is perimeter of a rectangle formula? That is 2 into L plus B. So what is the perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle is equals to 2 into L plus B. So we have to find the perimeter value. So I am denoting it as P. So 2 is a constant value. Length value is 15 and breadth value is 10. That is 15 centimeters plus 10 centimeters. So P is equals to 2 into 15 plus 10 will be 22 centimeters and here 25 centimeters. So P is equals to 2 into 25 will be 50 centimeters. So you got the perimeter of a rectangle as 50. Rectangle as 50 centimeters. So this is our first exercise. So in next exercise we are going to learn about area of parallelogram. So how you got the area of a parallelogram formula we will see. I will explain you, and on that we are going to solve the exercise problems also. So tomorrow in next class we will continue the class. Thank you.